Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'll be opening this 25 L.O.L doll accessory, and then we can set it up. Okay, let's go back. Okay, let's go ahead and open it. I'm starting to open, and it has 25. So that is a lot, and we have to open it very carefully. And then we can set it up. Hi guys, I opened it, and we have to go by order number. Okay, we have to start by 1. Tell me where the number 1 is if you see it. Okay, let's go ahead and open the first one. Hi guys, I put a little hole in the pockets, and let's go ahead and open them. This is number 1. Look, it's a cute little outfit. Let's go on to the next box. Look, it's a cute little outfit. Let's go on to the next one. Look, it's a cute little sweater. Here, it's some cute little earmuffs. Let's go on to the next one. Look, it's some cute little pants. Let's go on to the next one. Look, it's some cute little mini shoes. Hey guys, I am going to open the next one. So be patient, don't be noisy. Look, it's a cute little mug. Look. Look, it's a cute little sweater. Now let's go on to the next one. Look, it's a cute little purse for all of her stuff. In my hand. Look, it's a green skirt. And it goes and matches the green sweater. Let's go on to the next one. Look, it's some cute little pants, and it goes under the doll. Let's go on to the next box. Look, it's some cute glittery pants. Let's go on to the next. Look, it's a cute yellow skirt. La la, matcha, matcha, matcha. to the next one. Look, it's some cute little overalls. Swimming suit. Be patient. Let's take it out of the bag. Look at the bracelet. It's so cute. Let's go on to the next one. Okay? Look, it's a cute little coffee mug. Look, it's a cute little sweater. Look, it's a cute little nipple bra. Look, it's some cute little sunglasses. Look, it's a cute little dress. Gorgeous. It's so pretty. Let's go. Be patient. Look, this goes with this. I didn't notice. That rhymes. Let's go on to the next. We opened all of the accessories. I think, let me check all the hooks. Yep, we did. Bye guys, I hope you subscribe to my channel so you see all of my living videos. Bye guys.
So this is your second video. What was the hard part about this one?
Open the Ziploc bags and opening this.
What was the fun part about it?
The L.O.L doll accessories.
Uh-huh.
And the L.O.L doll, which is very cute.
Do you think you're going to be playing with her?
Yeah, all day.
All day.
And all night.
Okay. Did you enjoy this whole video experience?
Yeah.
All right.
I hope they have subscribed.
Okay. Why do you want them to subscribe?
Because I want to make money for college, young lady.
Okay.